This is why your LG refrigerator control panel is blinking. It's not always bad news. Let's figure out what's happening. First, a blinking control panel usually means your fridge is trying to tell you something. Most often, it's a sign of a power interruption. If your home lost power or your fridge was unplugged recently, the panel may blink to let you know it needs to reset. Here's what you can do. Just press and hold the reset or power button for about 5 seconds. If the lights stop blinking, you're all set. If not, check if the doors are closing properly and make sure nothing is blocking the sensors. Still blinking? Sometimes, it can mean a bigger issue like a temperature problem or a faulty sensor. In that case, unplug your fridge for a minute, then plug it back in. If the blinking doesn't stop, it's best to call LG customer support or a professional technician. Remember, those flashing lights are there to get your attention, so don't ignore them. With a few simple steps, you can usually get your LG fridge back to normal in no time.